Living room partition design ideas. Ideas for sustainable partition designs. Incorporate eco-friendly design with reclaimed wood partition, full of rustic appeal. Create a serene ambience with stylish bamboo partitions, perfect for an eco-conscious design. Add warmth to your interiors with cork partition, offering both style and environmental benefits. Elevate your interiors with a recycled glass panel, offering both sustainability and shimmering style. Transform your room's aesthetic with an upcycled metal creation, where sustainability meets artistic expression. Creative use of plants in partitions. Embrace minimalist, serene patterns for a tranquil atmosphere. Create a lively natural barrier using potted plants for both style and function. Add an airy, vibrant touch with plants suspended in decorative screens. Enjoy a low-maintenance, stylish green wall featuring resilient succulents. Combine functionality and beauty with shelves filled with a variety of plants. Ethnic and cultural partition design ideas. Incorporate Moroccan screens into your decor for a visually stunning, exotic ambience. Elevate your interiors with Indian jelly designs, offering an exquisite blend of tradition and elegance. Enhance your interiors with Chinese lattice partitions, known for their delicate designs and cultural significance. Highlight the rich tradition of African woven dividers, bringing texture and cultural vibrancy to your space. Transform your space with the tranquility of Japanese-inspired designs, embracing serene, minimalist beauty. Multi-purpose partition ideas. Design dedicated home office spaces to boost productivity and focus. Set apart your dining space with stylish dividers for a more organized and intimate setting. Establish separate play areas that offer a blend of fun and safety for kids. Integrate media setups seamlessly into your living area with stylish partitions. Set up a personal gym space that encourages a more effective workout routine. Wooden partition ideas. Highlight the beauty of aged wood to bring warmth and character into any room. Showcase sleek wooden panels that create a seamless and streamlined appearance in your living space. Add artistic flair to your space with intricately carved wooden panels that serve as stunning focal points. Incorporate geometric wooden lattice patterns to add an open, contemporary feel to your space. Combine wood with metal accents to craft a distinctive and eclectic design that stands out. Glass partition ideas. Create a seamless flow between rooms using clear glass to maintain visibility and light. Incorporate frosted glass to create a refined, elegant barrier that still allows light to filter through. Enhance your interior with stained glass that adds a touch of artistic flair and historical charm. Add visual appeal and depth to your space with patterned, textured glass partitions. Create a sophisticated, urban aesthetic using metal-framed glass partitions to define areas with flair. Ideas for metal partitions. Opt for metal grids to infuse your room with a distinctive industrial edge and architectural interest. Enhance sophistication with ornate and intricate metal designs. Opt for metal and glass combinations to introduce a polished and refined touch to your interior. Create a striking visual impact using metal partitions with elaborate patterns and artistic flair. Opt for minimalist and functional partitions that feature lightweight metal. Fabric partition ideas. Create adaptable spaces with soft, flowing fabric curtains that easily transform the look of your room. Enhance your room's aesthetics by integrating panels with bold and unique fabric patterns. Create quieter, more private spaces with partitions designed to absorb sound. Add a modern, airy feel to your space with sleek, suspended metal screens. Personalize your space with unique, homemade fabric divider ideas that reflect your creativity. Composite material partition ideas. Opt for low-maintenance PVC panels to simplify your partition needs while ensuring durability. Incorporate stylish laminated boards into your design for a refined partition with a smooth, contemporary finish. Select budget-friendly fiberboard partitions for a practical and effective way to divide your space. Personalize your partition with printed composite panels, offering distinctive and stylish design options. Transform your space with sustainable composite panels featuring stylish patterns, perfect for a green and elegant partition. DIY partition ideas. Opt for simple curtain partitions for an affordable and flexible room division solution. Use bookcases as room dividers to add a practical and aesthetically pleasing element. Design an eco-friendly partition from upcycled materials, offering a one-of-a-kind look. Use pallet wood to craft a partition that offers both rustic charm and practical division. Customize your space with inventive shelving units that double as stylish room dividers. Open concept partition ideas. Design spaces efficiently using low-rise partitions that provide minimal division while preserving visual flow. Create an illusion of more space with transparent dividers that blend seamlessly into your interior. Provide separation with half-wall designs that maintain an airy and open atmosphere. Incorporate stylish furniture to serve as partitions, achieving practical separation with a design-forward approach. Integrate nature into your decor with planters that double as functional space dividers. Sliding partition ideas. Embrace rustic charm and character with classic sliding barn doors that add a vintage touch to any room. Add elegance and tradition to your space with delicate Japanese shoji screens that blend beauty and functionality. Elevate your space with modern sliding glass doors, blending elegance with practicality in a contemporary setting. Showcase the beauty of wood with sliding panels that offer both aesthetic appeal and practical partition solutions. Transform your layout with space-saving partitions that combine practicality with a clean, modern design. Folding partition ideas. Utilize accordion-style partitions for a flexible and compact solution that folds away effortlessly when not in use. Incorporate bifold doors to achieve a seamless transition between rooms while maximizing space. Utilize folding screens for flexible space management, offering a portable and stylish solution for temporary separations. Transform your layout with portable room dividers that combine functionality with convenience for dynamic room configurations. Modular partition ideas. Adapt your space with reconfigurable panels that can be easily rearranged to suit any layout or function. Incorporate modular shelving to create a stylish and practical storage system that evolves with your requirements. Utilize prefabricated partitions to efficiently divide and adapt your room layout with ready-to-use solutions. Decorative partition ideas. Feature bold and unique designs with artistic metal screens that make a striking statement in any room. Create a refined ambience using patterned glass panels that offer a blend of beauty and practicality. Incorporate detailed wood carvings to create a distinctive and artistic partition that enhances your decor. Transform your environment with colorful painted partitions that bring a fresh, custom touch to any setting. Incorporate mosaic and tiled partitions to add a touch of artistic elegance and creativity to your room. Partitions with storage. Design with bookshelf partitions to efficiently organize your space while adding visual interest and practicality. Incorporate storage cubes to organize and separate your space with a sleek, modern look. Enhance your room's functionality with built-in cabinets that provide concealed storage and a streamlined appearance. Design with hidden storage solutions that offer both practicality and a clean, minimalist look. Enhance your room's functionality and aesthetics with multifunctional partitions that blend storage and style seamlessly. Soundproof partition ideas. Incorporate acoustic panels to create a quieter, more focused environment by reducing ambient noise. Enhance your room's sound quality by integrating fabrics that are specifically designed to absorb and minimize noise. Design with insulated partitions to improve acoustic separation while maintaining a sleek and functional layout. Achieve Achieve superior sound insulation with double-glazed glass that keeps spaces quieter and more serene. Optimize your environment by combining noise reduction techniques that ensure a quiet and serene space. Partitions with lighting. Incorporate sleek, built-in LED lighting into partitions to create a contemporary look while reducing energy usage. Enhance ambience with backlit glass partitions that cast soft, ambient light for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Illuminate your space effectively by installing light fixtures directly onto partitions for targeted lighting solutions. Showcase the power of lighting by using mood lighting designs that transform the feel of your room. Create a unique atmosphere with fabric panels that softly illuminate your space, adding texture and light. Colorful partition ideas. Showcase your style with bold color panels that make a powerful impact, instantly uplifting the mood of your room. Design with gradient panels to bring subtlety and depth to your room, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Incorporate painted wood partitions to introduce color and texture, adding a unique character to your room. Enhance your room's modern appeal by using color blocking techniques to play with contrast and harmony. Add texture and visual interest with patterned fabric partitions that feature unique, eye-catching designs. Transparent and translucent partition ideas. Design with clear glass partitions to achieve a minimalist, spacious look that enhances your room's openness. Enhance your room's privacy by using frosted glass partitions that offer a blend of seclusion and style. Showcase your style with textured glass partitions that blend functionality with a decorative, textured finish. Utilize lightweight and versatile acrylic partitions for practical and stylish room division that's easy to install. Incorporate polycarbonate panels into your space to achieve a sleek, industrial look with long-lasting durability. Artistic and custom partition ideas. Showcase personalized and unique designs with custom artwork panels that turn partitions into statement pieces. Incorporate personalized designs into partitions to create spaces that resonate with your unique vision and identity. Enhance your environment with partitions that showcase art created by a collective, celebrating diversity and teamwork. Design with interactive partitions that encourage participation, making your space more lively and engaging. Create futuristic and customized partitions using 3D printing technology, offering unparalleled design flexibility and precision. Minimalist partition ideas. Showcase minimalism by using partitions with clean lines that provide a polished, streamlined appearance. Create a calming and sophisticated atmosphere with partitions in neutral color schemes that blend effortlessly with any decor. Enhance your interiors with functional partitions that efficiently divide space while adding to the overall design. Opt for sleek, contemporary designs with minimal visual clutter to create an open and airy atmosphere. Ensure your partitions blend seamlessly with your decor by opting for subtle designs that complement your space's aesthetic. Vintage and retro partition ideas. Add a classic, timeless charm to your space with beautifully aged antique wood panels that exude character and history. Design with retro metal screens that offer a blend of durability and classic style, perfect for a timeless look. Enhance elegance and uniqueness with vintage glass designs that bring retro patterns and colors into your space. Incorporate patterned fabric partitions to add softness and character, infusing your room with a sense of fun and nostalgia. Showcase the beauty of vintage color schemes that add depth and warmth, transforming your space into a comforting retreat. Bohemian and eclectic partition ideas. Enhance your space with partitions that feature a playful mix of textures and colors, offering a bold and lively design. Design with handcrafted partitions that offer a personal, artisanal touch, adding warmth and character to your interiors. Incorporate ethnic patterns into your partition designs to create a space that reflects diverse cultural influences and vibrant traditions. Create a soft, Cozy atmosphere with boho fabric panels that bring a laid-back, bohemian vibe to your space. Enhance your interiors with detailed partitions that bring a touch of complexity and refinement, making your space feel thoughtfully designed. Industrial style partition ideas. Utilize metal frames to bring an industrial edge and bold character to your room. Embrace natural charm with raw wood panels, offering a rustic and authentic touch to your space. Create a contemporary urban atmosphere by incorporating stylish concrete dividers. Opt for a mixed materials approach to design a partition that reflects a bold and eclectic style. Incorporate urban loft elements for a sleek and sophisticated partition that highlights contemporary design. Scandinavian-style partition ideas. Incorporate light wood designs to bring a fresh and airy feel to your interiors with natural elegance. Opt for clean, functional lines to enhance both the usability and visual appeal of your space. Incorporate neutral tones to achieve a peaceful and elegant environment with understated sophistication. Opt for eco-friendly and warm designs using sustainable materials. Opt for a minimalist ethos to cultivate an uncluttered and stylish atmosphere that emphasizes functional beauty. Smart technology in partition ideas. Enhance your environment with motorized partitions that provide dynamic and adaptable room divisions. Utilize smart glass technology to adapt transparency levels and enhance the functionality of your glass partitions. Opt for partitions with built-in sound systems to enrich your space with clear, integrated audio and functional elegance. Incorporate digital display partitions to offer innovative and engaging visual content in your environment. Opt for automated sliding doors to create a seamless and elegant transition between spaces with minimal effort. Outdoor-inspired partition ideas. Embrace the organic charm of natural wood partitions to add a touch of elegance and texture to your interiors. Incorporate living, breathing plants as natural dividers for a fresh look. Opt for eco-friendly and stylish bamboo screens to enhance your decor. Add an earthy, rustic touch with partitions made from stone or rock. Create a fluid connection between your indoor and outdoor areas with design features that encourage a natural flow. Geometric pattern partition ideas. Incorporate hexagonal designs into your partitions for a fresh and fashionable twist on traditional room dividers. Choose triangular designs to introduce a unique and artistic element to your partitions, adding visual excitement. Transform your environment with diamond-shaped partitions, providing a stylish and unique visual element. Incorporate interlocking geometric designs to introduce a modern and sophisticated element to your room dividers. Opt for creative and eye-catching partitions with non-traditional, asymmetric shapes.